In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Call of Duty account on your PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to properly unlink and sign out of your Call of Duty account is to go to the Activision website. You can access this website on your computer, your phone, or even your console. All you have to do is use a web browser and go to www.activision.com. In here, sign into your profile. As you can see, we're going to have to input the email address and password or log in using one of the available methods. Once you are properly signed into your account, click Profile at the top right corner of the screen and you will be redirected immediately to the account management page. The first option is what we're looking for. All of your linked accounts will be over here. You simply have to click Unlink next to the one that you want to sign out of. As you can see, I only have Battle.net, but if you had your PlayStation account over here, you simply have to click Unlink and proceed with the setup. You will need to verify your account and afterwards it will be properly signed out and unlinked. You will be able to sign into a new account either on your console or through this page as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to sign out of your Call of Duty account on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.